Excellent. So yeah, my name is Moneer Mourad, and what drew me to dentistry is a multitude of things. Includes I love an appreciation for science. I love working with people, and I love establishing relationships. Long-term relationships. And I think dentistry really pulled together all those aspects and allowed me to find a career where I felt like I could thrive in.
You studied Bachelor of Biomedicine at the University of Melbourne.
Correct.
And you're a Doctor of Dental Medicine at the University of Sydney. What was your journey like? You look very young to me to be such a
Thank you.
well-prepared dentist. Tell me what was the journey like?
Excellent, really. I couldn't fault it. Bachelor of Biomedicine gave me a strong science foundation, and the University of Sydney doing dentistry or Doctor of Dental Medicine there really helped me bring that foundation and use it to facilitate helping my patients. Ultimately, working both at a major university in Melbourne and a major university in Sydney was really fundamental for my growing, I feel, and helped me experience both universities in their stature. So it was really great for me. Yeah.
And I understand you were born in Melbourne?
Absolutely, yeah, I was born in Melbourne.
But you were raised in Kuwait?
Yeah, so initial years was in Melbourne when I was much younger, and then moved to Kuwait abroad, did basically high school there, and then came back here for, as you said, biomedicine and dentistry, yeah.
Now, having been living in two countries, and two very different countries, how do you think this experience has shaped the way you interact with patients?
Pivotal, I think, absolutely. I think being exposed to different cultural backgrounds, different diversities, has allowed me to kind of establish the capacity to understand patients from different areas and different walks of life. And so therefore, I think it just gives me a little bit of an edge in helping understand patients and make them feel, listened and respected and comfortable with me, I think is the major advantage I would have gained from that experience.
Excellent. Earlier on, you say that dentistry has the power to transform how people see themselves.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tell me more about that.
Yeah, I think dentistry, it's not just about teeth, it's about more than that. It's about people being confident in how they look, and there's not one single smile that fits all. It's more about you being comfortable in your own smile, and dentistry has the power and the tools that I can use to help people feel that way about themselves. And for me, it's rewarding, but for them, it changes their lives, and it's a privilege to be a part of something like that, honestly.
Yes. One of the biggest blocks that people have when it comes to dentists is that just the thought of visiting the dentist makes them anxious, makes them nervous. How would you describe your approach with these kind of patients?
I think just being heard, listening to these patients, breaking it down into things that are manageable, and making sure that ultimately the decision is in their hands. At the end of the day, I'm here to help them, and I'm not here to force them in any way. And so I can understand why people visiting a dentist may feel a little anxious, but I am there to help coach them through that, I feel.
Earlier on, we were discussing you've been able to train in different fields of dentistry. You mentioned an aligner course, you mentioned implant courses, surgery courses. But what dental services can patients look forward having with you?
I enjoy all aspects of general dentistry as a whole. Everything that you can probably think of, I do enjoy. I have a strong interest in dental implants and reconstructive and rehabilitation work, but I don't limit myself to that scope only. But yeah, definitely, just general dentistry is bread and butter for me, really.
Excellent. What's that thing that you're looking for the most as part of the Plenty Smiles team?
I'm very excited to be a part of this team. I think being a part of a collaborative and cohesive team, experienced team, will allow us to give our patients, the best treatment outcome possible and what they hope to achieve at this clinic. And personally, for me, I'm looking to grow as any other dentist would, and I'm really looking forward to working here. Absolutely.
Excellent. Look, I had the pleasure of having a conversation with you before this interview, but you lived in the area before, but you went to, is it Central New South Wales?
Yeah, so I studied at the University of Sydney, so I was located within Sydney. Then I moved out to regional, Central West New South Wales, absolutely. Greater Western.
And since you're back, why don't we make the most and let's send a message to all those patients that you're going to meet in the near future?
Absolutely. Looking forward to meeting all my patients. I'm glad to be back. I'm looking forward to helping everyone, and look forward to kind of booking your appointment at Plenty of Smiles, and I look forward to giving you the best possible treatment I can deliver.
Excellent, thank you very much. Well, this is Dr. Moneer, the new addition to the Plenty Smiles team. Welcome to Melbourne, welcome to Plenty Smiles.
Thank you very much, Dr. Manuel.
Excellent, thank you, well done.
Thank you.